While some people wish that hot summer days spent at the pool or beach could last forever, there are many of us who count down the weeks until the chill in the air returns, bringing cozy blankets, apple cider, and vibrant autumn hues along with it. In this episode, we'll list some of the best fall travel destinations throughout the United States, and as always, let you in on what's happening ahead of your upcoming trip to Hilton Head Island this fall. Whether you're looking to start booking a trip for this upcoming season, or you're starting to plan your dream autumn getaway for 2024, these destinations should be on your radar. So let's get started. For the ultimate fall experience dedicated to those who love the great outdoors, Jackson Hole, Wyoming should be high on your must-visit list. Let's talk location. Jackson Hole is not a town, but a 48-mile-long valley. The valley itself is home to 6 towns, including the town of Jackson at the southern end, and includes Grand Teton National Park. About an hour drive to nearby Yellowstone National Park. As you can imagine, this region is very busy during the summer. The winter months also see an uptick in visitors because of the 3 ski resorts in the valley. That leaves the fall season to be less crowded and more affordable. Having 2 national parks in such close proximity, outdoor adventures abound. Grand Teton is fully open, with some limited access beginning in November, and Yellowstone is open year-round. Hiking, biking, and wildlife viewing tours are some of the most popular activities. Fall foliage tours are also available and completely worth the trip alone. The aspen trees' fall colors typically peak in late September. Horseback riding, golfing, boating, and checking out the local breweries are also favorite pastimes. Jackson Hole is becoming the art center of the Rockies, and there are 2 well-known events in September, the Fall Arts Festival and the Jackson Hole Wildlife Film Festival. Jackson Hole is known to be on the pricier side, but you'll find a deal or 2 during September and October. Because the region is pretty big, you don't have to necessarily limit yourself to staying in Jackson. Surrounding towns outside the valley and closer to Yellowstone tend to be less expensive. If you're booking a week through RCI, there are a handful of great resorts that will allow you to explore the beautiful region. Having a car is highly recommended, especially if you're making day trips to surrounding locations every day. Find discounts on rental cars and airfare on Quest Travel Club. Head westward and you'll find our next beautiful fall destination, Lake Tahoe. On the California and Nevada state line, you'll have no trouble at all finding accommodations for this destination on the RCI Exchange. Choose from one of the many resorts in North or South Tahoe, and you'll find a charming fall getaway that's great for families and couples. If you're flying in, the Reno Tahoe International Airport is very convenient and offers 23 non-stop flights from across the United States. Lake Tahoe is in a similar boat as Jackson Hole because the 2 busiest seasons are summer and winter. In summer, the area is packed with those wanting to get out on the water or go hiking and biking. Winter brings some of the best ski conditions in the region. Although things start to cool down in September, we mean the weather and the crowds, you'll be able to enjoy most of the activities you'd be able to do in summer and easily access the area without the risk of snowfall. There are yearly events and festivals hosted in September and October, like the Lake Tahoe Autumn Food and Wine Festival, Fall Fish Fest, and Oktoberfest. Learn more by finding the Lake Tahoe destination highlight on the Palmyra Go page. This next location is a stop on the famous Blue Ridge Parkway, a scenic drive known to have some of the best fall foliage in the United States. Asheville, North Carolina is surrounded by various elevations, meaning there's a longer peak season for fall colors. Leaves begin to turn in the highest elevations at the end of September, but you'll see the colors expand down the mountainside for weeks after that. The Blue Ridge Parkway is a common access point for travelers, especially during fall. You'll also find great deals on resorts, inns, and hotels in Asheville on Quest. From grand historic hotels to charmingly cozy inns, you'll be able to find the perfect accommodation for your group. Stay downtown to be surrounded by great dining, shopping, and art galleries. Take afternoon trips to local breweries or spend a day at the Biltmore Estate. There's also a helpful destination highlight about Asheville on the Palmyra Go page for you to use as a planning guide. If you're counting down the days for your vacation to Hilton Head Island this fall, just know that you'll get the best of both worlds. Beautiful weather, less crowds, and a lineup of annual festivals and events. Here are some events on Hilton Head and in the surrounding area that we're looking forward to. For more ideas of destinations that are perfect to visit in the fall, make sure to watch the following Palmyra Go videos. Until next time!